Newton got hit by an apple. Sitting under a tree in the 17th century, you can say there's no such thing as gravity, but as for me and Galileo, we believe. He'd been studying too much science, and we begged him just to stop, but he did not listen until that apple had to drop. When we found him the next morning, in his lab with the experiment, he was studying all the forces, despite his lack of college courses. First, he found out the mass of the apple. It was 5 kilograms on the ground, and 6 newtons were applied, and had a speed of 0.01 friction all around. Once he found out the equation, he was curious about the acceleration. Then he drew a free body diagram and showed all his work to Dr. Sam. Newton got hit by an apple. Sitting under a tree in the 17th century, you can say there's no such thing as gravity, but as for me and Galileo, we believe. Now, we're also proud of Newton. He checked his work so thoroughly, he went over it all day and didn't even get any pay. 1 month after this had happened, as he was thinking to himself, Newton described the universal gravitation and the 3 laws of world motion. Law 1 is of inertia. Objects seem to stay at rest unless something interferes, causing an object to stop in fear. Law 2 describes acceleration of a net external force, so Newton realized the pattern, the net force will equal m times a. The 3rd law is his final, of action and reaction. For every action there will be an equal one opposingly. With all of Newton's laws, life would be no true cause, so Newton's laws helped us treasure the reaches of our universe. Newton got hit by an apple. Sitting under a tree in the century, you can say there's no such thing as gravity, but as for we and Galileo, we believe.